So one of the biggest issues I've had with this Adventure 3 3D printer is that there are times in here it will skip. They'll start making this knocking noise and they'll start skipping and the filament won't feed right. What I figured out what works after doing a bunch of research. Number one, there's a couple different troubleshooting things you should do to see what the problem is. Number one, make sure that your bed right here is calibrated with this nozzle. Like, make sure the nozzle is barely touching this bed. If it's pushing down hard on the bed, it's going to stop the filament from coming out. And also, even if the filament does come out, it's going to come out so distorted that you're not going to be able to print. It's not going to stick right. If you calibrate it and it's still not working, this is what I found out what my problem was. After I calibrated it, I still had the same issue. Now, this PLA says run it at 210 degrees Celsius. And when I did that, it was still doing the same thing. So I checked out on this, discussion on this 3D printing discussion. This one guy was like, it says run at 210 degrees Celsius, but I run my PLA at 235 degrees Celsius. So I did that, and ever since I've done that, I haven't had no problems. Like, this nozzle is not heated. If it's not hot enough and it's not melting that filament enough, it will not come out of here. It will not come out of the extruder. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out.